Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the volume on your CHiQ 22F650 monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to open up the monitor settings. Now we want to go over and scroll down all the way to the bottom until we see the extra settings. And right here we will have the volume, so we need to click on the right switch. Now swipe down and swipe to the right again to make the slider red. Now here, as you guys can see, we can manage the volume, and that's basically how we can do that. We can customize it to our preference, and that'd be it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.